Okay, Sony, what are you doing here? What's going on, guys? Tyree the Tech Geek here, back again with the best in tech news and tech products. Now, in my opinion, one of the best inventions of the last 20 years has been the advent of wireless headphones. Not just wireless headphones, but truly wireless headphones. Now, going back in the day, we all remember the classic overhead headphones that people used to wear with their CD players and their Walkmans. And then, of course, as time went on, we went to the plastic tipped ear tips that went inside of your ear in the mid to late 2000s. Then at the beginning of the 2010s, we really started shifting priority towards Bluetooth technology, especially when it comes to cell phones. So we moved towards wireless Bluetooth audio, like these Sony WI-310 headphones and these JVC wired headphones that were still Bluetooth but had a wire in the back. So they were wireless in a way, but not truly wireless. But I don't think truly wireless headphones really came to light even after they were brought into the market in 2015. I don't think truly wireless headphones really came to light until Apple released the AirPods, the original AirPods, back in 2017. Now, there are so many different choices and offerings from Galaxy's many offerings, like their Galaxy Buds, the Galaxy Buds Pluses, the Galaxy Buds Live, the Galaxy Buds Pros, and then of course you have the Google Pixel Buds, and then the AirPods Pros, and then there's the item that we have today, the Sony LinkBuds WF-L900s. Sony again with the really weird names. I mean, compared to the other names in Sony's lineups, I mean, the Sony LinkBuds WF-L900s are pretty tame compared to the Sony WF-1000X Mach 4s. Like, all of this, like, what is this? Might as well just call it Sony alphabet soup and get over with. But the Sony LinkBuds are actually a pretty unique case when it comes to truly wireless audio. Every truly wireless headphone is going to have their own design, their own functionality, but the main similarity between all of them is that all of them are going to have a bud or a plastic tip that's actually going to insert its way into your ear canal, with the seal varying depending on what kind of headphone you use. That seal is there for one purpose, and one purpose alone, and that is for environmental isolation, noise canceling of some kind. But with the Sony LinkBuds, they take this to a whole new level. They don't even want to isolate the outside noise. They want to let everything in. But the Sony LinkBuds use this open hole design to actually let ambient noise in instead of keeping it out like every other headphone on the market. So there's no plastic tip, there's no earbud that actually goes into your ear to seal off the noise. The open hole design allows that ambient noise to pass through, but still uses it to push sound into your ear canal so you can still hear your audio. The LinkBuds are held in place in the ear with these plastic wingtips, which I think every pair of truly wireless headphones should have. It just makes it a whole lot easier to fit them inside your ear for long-lasting sessions. And they stay in place with this round dome that sits at the top of the earbud. Now, let me tell you guys all of what Sony packed into the Sony LinkBuds. 5.5 hours of battery life with 12 more with the charging case, which is nice. Not the best battery life compared to other truly wireless headphones, but enough for most people's use cases with these headphones. A 10-minute quick charge will get you 90 minutes of audio playback, which is a really quick charge, right on par with the industry standard there. Bluetooth 5.0, which has a range of about 800 feet away from your connected device. An IPX4 water resistance rating, which means it can take heavy splashes from all areas. Should be okay to work out in, but just I wouldn't do anything with them in the rain. And then a feature called 360 reality audio, which I'll go deeper into in my 2-week review later down the line. But finally, let's see what you guys get inside the box with the Sony LinkBuds. Starting out, you get the buds in a paper casing on top. Underneath, you get a small USB-C cable for charging with no wall adapter. Finally, you get 5 different sized wingtips extra small, small, large, and extra large, with the mediums being pre-installed on the buds themselves, which is really nice because most truly wireless headphones that offer replacement ear tips only come with a small, medium, and large wingtip or silicone ear tip inside the box, which is conducive enough for most people's use cases, but the 5 wingtips really does make a big difference. Opening up the charging case, you get your left and right earbud in a very small case that seems very, very pocketable, which is really, really good. And you see that unique open hole design that kind of looks like a burnt Fruit Loop attached to some sticky tack. Sorry, Sony, I had to come for your neck on that one. You have the pairing button on the back and a charging indicator on the front. So I'm guessing the marketing for Sony's headphones is gonna try to attract the people who are very multi-focused and need to be concentrating on multiple things at one time, while still trying to isolate themselves from the outside world as much as possible. So, one example that comes to mind is like an assembling line worker or like an Amazon packing worker who still wants to listen to music during like the monotony of the day, but still needs to be able to listen out for, you know, vehicles backing up behind them, equipment backing up behind them, any sort of alarms or alerts, or, you know, the person who just wants to walk across the street without worrying about getting murked by a car and not seeing it coming. I don't know. Or maybe just a person who wants to be able to hold a conversation with another individual without constantly having to pause their music. That's the market that I feel like Sony is trying to attract with these headphones. Now, the main concern there for Sony would be the market penetration, because the main reason that people buy truly wireless headphones is usually for one reason and one reason, and that's environmental isolation. They want to be able to immerse themselves in their audio, their music, their podcast, their video, whatever it may be, and completely detach from the outside world for however long it may be while completing a task or just trying to be immersed in their music. These headphones will not allow for that because of the ambient noise pass-through. So I don't think this is going to apply to a large population of users, which may hurt Sony in the long run, which may make these a very niche product for a very small subset of people, which is fine. Everyone buys truly wireless headphones for a multitude of different reasons, but I don't see the sales going particularly high for these headphones because of that small population. But I don't know. I could be wrong. I hope I am wrong, because I actually really am hoping that I enjoy these headphones because they are really unique. They are really funky. I love the design of them. I like the fact that Sony took a little bit of initiative and tried to give us a really nice, unique design with the Sony LinkBuds. But my true impressions are going to be revealed in my 2-week review of the Sony LinkBuds. But I will be using these headphones over the next 2 weeks, and I will be giving you guys a full review on my thoughts on the Sony LinkBuds WF-L900s. Still, Sony, you gotta stop with the stupid names, man. But for now, this has been Tired with the Tech Geek. These are the Sony LinkBuds WF-L900. See, this is what I'm talking about. These have been the Sony LinkBuds WF-L900s. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you liked the video, like, share, and subscribe. This has been Tired with the Tech Geek, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Later.